Can we create multiple accounts with one number on Telegram? Let's see if we can create multiple accounts with one number on Telegram. So what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Telegram application. After opening your Telegram, you need to go with your settings, which will be in the bottom. And then go with your account settings, go and log out from your current Telegram account. After logging out of your current Telegram account, you need to just simply go with start messaging, which will be on the bottom, and then go and enter the same number. Like, just open up your Telegram and then go with create account and go and enter the same number. It might log you in, right? But if it logs you in, then you can again go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. Go with the three dots and then go with add another account, which might be under your settings and then your account. And if you tap on log out here, you will have add another account option. Tap on add another account and then go and enter the same number. Select your country code or enter the country code and then enter your number. If you try to enter the same phone number that you have on your previous account, you won't be able to do so. Telegram only allows one number to create a single account. If you want to create multiple accounts with the same number, that won't be possible. You're going to have to enter a different number from a different country, or within the same country, just go and enter the different number. And you need to use that because we can't create multiple accounts with one number on Telegram. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.